Well, if I talk of me, but Jaden Chase, they have to make the fans them know how I really are going. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers, and we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel at Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, recently, Vybz Kartel was accredited 2 IRAMA awards, and I noticed in the comment section some members or fans of the opposition were stating that we are celebrating some small trophies while their artist and their group are make millions of US dollars. Now we can't confirm that, but we can confirm that Vybz Kartel's net worth in the year 2020, as of March 2020, that is 2 million USD, the United States dollars. Meaning say that is over 200 million Jamaican dollars. Here TG say $100 million. In I am about 200 million. As a matter of fact, over 200 million our Vybz Kartel net worth is at right now, and he has made this money from various business ventures. Yes, and it is also in addition to the royalties he has collected thus far from the countless chart-topping hit tracks and also albums, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel is also a phenomenal businessman and also an entrepreneur, and never forget, also an author. And his investments in other business outside, not businesses, because they're not just one, but outside of the range of music. Because remember, the teacher got rum, condom, shoes, cake soap, and even a reality show at one point in time. You know what I mean? All of these money add up. There are still things being sold today. Despite the fact that the teacher, viewers and subscribers, has had his share of legal problems. You know what I mean? And is still behind the bars as we speak. One thing for sure though, some other camp and some other artists, them not have no merit in them statements, viewers and subscribers. When we talk about making the money, them like we talk like say, alright, Vybz Kartel is an artist and just music him a dominating. But remember, as we say, he's an artist. But when we talk about an entrepreneurial role where I play in a society as an individual, as a businessman. Yeah, we see them give back that charity recently. Only good thing we can say, alright, big them up for. Yeah, we see them give back recently in what take place locally. Only thing we can say, big them up for. But other than that, Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, when we talk about the numbers, whether streams, whether you talk about views, I talk about units of albums being sold, I talk about dollars we are flow into the artist bank account. The teacher lead them. The teacher is definitely leading them. So let me them tell you this and tell you that and talk about, oh yeah, what artists get awarded and accredited, but for them artists I make millions. I would have think so, yeah. Them would have right there, up there, with the greats who are perform. But no, they're not even being booked for the caliber of shows that we see Popcorn them get booked for. No. When we see them perform, we see fans turn out, but only because they are showcased with various artists. When not them alone in concert, we don't see them a full no arena. We don't see them a Birmingham a full no arena, viewers and subscribers. We see Papi them do it. We see Vybz Kartel do it. We see Vybz Kartel go to Paris. Go full arena in a Paris. We don't see them full no arena no way. Them a talk about stadium, full stadium. It was stadium parking lot. Don't make them chicken no. It was stadium parking lot. Don't make them chicken no. And not like a Buju do. I never nothing like what Buju Bant and the Gargamel do. No. A stadium parking lot them full up. You remember say yo, you have arena right there so too. So and even arena parking lot them get. Just stadium parking lot alone. The people who are parking close proximity to the national stadium, not to the national arena. And the whole place is full. Now make them chicken no. Them now do it, viewers and subscribers. The numbers are in, and we are talking about net worth. We are talking about the network. We talk about artists and accomplishments. It not stop at just trophies. A true. But at them bring up the point of reason. Them are talking about the dollar figure. Where is the dollar figure? When you see an album, when you see an artist put out an album or put out a track and receive a gold plaque or a platinum plaque, you know what that means? Units of that song or album has been sold. Units being sold, though, we can recognize the purchase. And gold signifies it has gone over 500,000 copies. Platinum, 1 million. Double platinum, 2 million. Them artists they wanna mention at about make money now sell double plastic. I'm tired for saying. I'm tired for saying them now sell double plastic. It's a statement I'm continue to reiterate. You know what I mean? When we talk about the numbers, when we talk about artists who are inspiring the next generation, the teacher proves that hard work does pay off. It's a statement where you might hear over and over again. But you might say to yourself, say your hard work pay off. Pay off for who? Well, here, Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers, an artist where it has paid off for. Despite legal troubles, has nothing to do with the music. However, I would say this, the fact that the teacher was a dominant artist, going against the grain, if you know what that means. Of course, in a step on a few toes. You know what I mean? And these people have carried what looks to be long-term grudges. And have found a way to demonize the artist's character in the eyes of the public. And say, yo, these songs, these raunchy dancehall songs, are what is fueling this type of mindset or mentality in our society. They are wrong. And this is just a continued effort. And not just Vybz Kartel them try to do. Then Bob did put out reggae. Then that's how reggae make the youth them a go on. So I guess they may do the same to scare and mentor music as well. So it's nothing about the artist himself, but rather the influence. And the fact that this grants people not a distraction. No, we would never say it grant them a distraction. We just say it show them a different side of the same story. Because why might not know your individual if it comes sit with you and tell you say, yo, I saw it going on. When an artist can put out a track, no matter where you live in the world, you can get to hear his perception, his opinion, and you can hear the story where I tell you, whether it be fictional or non-fictional. So him can convey him idiom and him ideas to you no matter where you're in the world. And that is what was feared. Or maybe disliked. Some people are like can control the influence. And them can't control the influence. They would like if you just do what you do, but don't make it be too meaningful. There's something called a platform. A platform. I will not talk about it in the natural sense. We are talking about as a celebrity. You have a platform because you know you have a voice. We consider an individual who has a voice somebody who, when them talk, lots of other individuals will also listen. And most celebrities have that platform. So any celebrity with a certain platform, we are going against the grain. Of course, there will be a problem with him or she and the powers that be. I just saw it go. And I saw see take place for all the decades that we have seen celebrities that we can think back of. You don't know the history books today, and we can read it more upon the fact. And if you read up, I would have the same thing in show. The powers that be and the powers that are now emerging are always going to have a kind of disagreement, or them always kind of lock horns, as what them would have said. You know, there's something go. We are use different analogies. But I saw them would have do it, and I saw it play out over the centuries. And nothing has changed, it looked like. Them always have a statement and them say there's nothing new under the sun. Meaning say, oh, even though it might just happen or occur in your life, this has been done to somebody else or it happened already. That's why there's a thought of doing it, even in the person who do it to you. So I guess that we're going Vybz Kartel viewers and subscribers. But the numbers are in over $200 million. And I'm not normal. What about the numbers, streams, views, or even the dollars we are flowing? Cause a nation will stand strong, will stand tall. We are the outstanding dancehall music group. Don't make them tell you nothing. Bye to the one called Jaden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding you now, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, you're just a pass through. But I'm If you like the reason, you like the point of view, well, I'm suggesting that you click the subscribe icon, put it on all, and this is how you'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon is there as well, so if you like to drop a like on the vlog. In truth, viewers and subscribers, the share icon, then they tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them, but check out the channel, check out the reason and join the discussion. Comment section always open, just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. Other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. You know the something of viewers and subscribers, and for those who don't, up move settings fam, and we don't need no ladder. And my sentiments for you and for yours, I want to live, love, and also prosper until the reason again.